Sending money across borders can feel complicated, but with Worldremit, transferring funds to Baksh is actually quite straightforward. Let's break it down in this step-by-step guide. First, open the Worldremit app or go to worldremit.com and sign into your account if you're a new user. You'll need to quickly create an account. Next, select the country you're sending money to from the Send to drop-down menu. Now, you'll see several delivery options depending on the recipient country. These can include bank transfer directly to Baksh's bank account, mobile money transfer, or even cash pickup at a designated location. Choose the method that works best for Baksh. This is crucial. Carefully enter Baksh's information, ensuring everything matches their official documents. This usually includes their full name, address, and if you're doing a bank transfer, their bank name, account number, and possibly the bank's SWIFT BIC code. Double-check for typos. Next, you'll select your payment method. Worldremit typically accepts debit cards, credit cards, and sometimes bank transfers. Choose your preferred method and enter your payment details securely. Before finalizing, carefully review all the transfer details. This includes the amount you're sending, the fees, the exchange rate, and Baksh's information. Make sure everything is accurate. Once you're happy with everything, confirm the transfer. You'll receive a confirmation and a tracking number, which you can share with Baksh so they can monitor the transfer's progress. Keep in mind that depending on the amount and destination, Worldremit may require additional verification or information to comply with regulations, so be prepared to provide that if needed. Now you have successfully sent money to Baksh.